two lovebirds fighting already?
Let's just say Elaine and I are having a bit of a difference of opinion on how I should be paid.
Tell me about it.
The point is, I'm in love with her and it's driving me crazy. I'm not in control.
But you don't trust yourself around her?
I don't trust myself around anyone. And she wants me to be the better man, which means I can't be who I am.
Well, maybe this is who you are now. Love does that, Damon. It changes us.
Let's do it. She's not here. She's not here.